shit. What the fuck happened? It is literally closed. This is Elder Creek right by Power Inn. Like, this shit is literally blocked. I don't know what these cars think they're doing. They ain't going nowhere. Well, I guess I can go this way, get closer. Damn. What the fuck happened?
Stop using your phone while you're driving.
Fuck that cop. You hear her? She's like, don't use your phone while you're driving. Damn, someone got in an accident and died. Damn. Pray for the family. That's all I gotta say. Fuck, man. That shit's crazy. I'm going around, you guys. You'll be able to see the sign. But I know you've seen the car. The car smashed. They have a bag over the person in the driver's seat. This shit's crazy. You guys see that? Yeah, there's the car and there's the body.